So I had the brilliant idea yesterday to craft a spotlight.
Where's the money, Lebowski?
For filmmaking purposes, being the professional filmmaker that I am. So I went online, I looked on YouTube, and I looked up some ways and ideas on how to create a spotlight. I also attempted to use a lapel mic for this little video here, but for whatever reason, the app on my phone stopped registering audio after about 30 seconds. And I thought, okay, so I don't need to buy anything, I can just use things that I have lying around here around the house. So I looked for some tubes, cardboard things, I saw some cans, and I found in the recycling this. It's cylindrical, round, it would fit a light bulb, it's perfect. Yes! And of course I've got this is kind of my starting point. I've got a light bulb in here. Check the light bulb out.
Can I get a light bulb?
There it is, you can see it. And so I'll take this apart, and I can remove all of these components and take all of it off.
Nice, quick.
Inside.
Take this shield off of here, and I have a bare light fixture. I can put a light on it. So I can put the light through here, and this can be my spotlight. Brilliant. So I can put the light bulb in here, screw it into the thing. Unfortunately, the downside to that is that the cylinder, or the cardboard tube, kind of flops. So what can I do? How can I fix that? Alright, I just need something that I can stabilize it. Something hard, something solid, and as luck would have it, CDs. Very obsolete CDs. This is, I believe, a driver CD for my printer. Windows 2000 Professional XP Windows Vista. Exceedingly obsolete. So, and it just so happens it's exactly the right size. It's destiny! So, now the only trick is I need to be able to make this hole big enough to fit a light bulb through, which I already did. But I'm telling the story now. So I have some tools and things at my disposal I can use. I have these handy dandy hole little drill thingy-majiggers. Put it into my drill, and I can drill into the hole. Voila! And as it turns out, this one's about 1 inch, and that's about the width of the light bulb. It's perfect! Destiny. So I drilled out these holes in these CDs here, and I put them in, and it holds it up. Yes! It's perfect. I turn the light on, and it just creates a big... It doesn't really create a spotlight. It's a light. It was already a light. It needs to spot. So I think, okay, maybe I need something smaller. I dig through the recycling some more.
What is that?
Cornstarch. Yes, it's destiny. It's exactly what I need. Okay, so I try this. I do the same thing. I use the little drill bit thing. Death. And all that. And I have to kind of widen the hole a little bit more so that I can actually get the fixture through, not necessarily just the light bulb. So I have to widen it out. I have my Dremel with a little reamer attachment I can put on it. And so I drill this out. So I can widen it, put the light bulb through here. It's beautiful, it's perfect. It's another lamp that just glows. It's not a spotlight. Okay, what if I put this inside of this? And then I got some tin foil, some aluminum foil here, just kind of wrapped around. That should help to reflect it, create a beam of light. Yes, I did it. I have the CD on the bottom. I have the cornstarch thing in the middle. I have the aluminum foil all around. I have the light bulb. I have the fixture. I have everything that's perfect. Still not quite right. Nothing is the way it should be. Yeah. Okay, I need something a little smaller. I have cans in abundance. I'm something of a junkie for these things. I have a lot of cans. All right, do the same thing. I had to come up with some way to cut these because I don't have tin snips or anything. So I'm sitting here with my little knife in my hand, and I'm stabbing at this can so that I can create a hole. Okay, same thing on the other side. Stab at the can to create a hole, right? And this one doesn't quite work, right? It doesn't glow or anything. It keeps the light within, but it still creates a blob and not an actual spotlight. So maybe I just need to extend it. So I do the same thing to another can. Another can. Into this can. Squeeze beautifully. No match. It was already squeezed before. You saw what it looked like. And it did the same thing. It was just dimmer for some reason. It didn't create a spotlight. It was kind of spot-ish, but it wasn't as bright. Take this off, it is brighter. Death to everything. wasn't working. So, what am I going to do? Maybe I just need to completely rethink my strategy here. So I went hunting for some more stuff around my house. And I found this. It's a tube. Okay, it's long, it's small. Maybe this would work. Okay, light bulb doesn't fit, but hey, flashlight. This is a pretty nice flashlight. I use it a lot. Ta-da! How about that? Okay, and then I found that if I move the flashlight in and out, I can actually widen the beam of the spotlight. So now I just tie a piece of string around the flashlight and I put a notch on the end of this here. Flashlight down to the spotlight. I can scoot it down for it to be wider, scoot it up for it to be smaller. Punch that onto there. Voila, I have a spotlight. It only took 3 hours of sheer idiocy for me to get to this point! And it took me all of, what, 30 seconds to put this together? I'm not sure if I'm a genius or an idiot. I may never know. The end. That's my story.